Hello, my name is An Bin. I'm during the methodology design major. I'm talented at clear communication and instant response. I have experience about that. It was a design class. We have to make a six jewelry sample picture from the one subject. But at the time, we have to use the 3D program about the name is Rhino, and the key shot the program to make a picture. But at the time, we didn't be skilled yet. So my teammate made a mistake. She didn't know that, but the next day was the day, so we don't have enough time. So I said to her, please send the file to me, I'll fix it. So I fixed that very fastly. Um, Maybe the one day. So I made it. And through this experience, I knew that I'm based on this advantage. So I thought I can use this advantage well in your company and well too. So I applied it. Thank you. First, I had experience about to get excellence award, and that was in the capstone contest, with the teammates. My team's subject was catalog relics accessories. But so we just think about like we have to focus on direction to increase marketability. The second, the direction friendly to the general public. So we searched in the internet and we found that first one is the trendy design, the second one is a reasonable price range. From these themes, we enter the contest phase and the judge asked each team one unexpected question. But our team's question was what is the differentiations from the other existing products? So we said the information that we already found it. Through this experience, I learned what conditions are necessary for actual marketability and how to do market research. After that, I'm, I thought I'm good fit on this field. Yeah, thank you. No, I don't have any preferred area or non-preferred area. Of course, the place which nearby the shop or market too easily to buy some ingredients will be very good. But anyway, in these days, the internet site is really improved and delivers theirs too. So I think I don't care about that. First of all, I thought I need to learn about English more for American internship. So I decided to leave up a sense or focus on the study. And also I learned about programs more. Like we already said that 3D programs like GBrush or the Rhino things. First, I'm not graduate yet, but if I graduated, then also I think I'm preparing about the American internship too, because I really want to experience about the big world, more big world than now. Hmm. Future plan in 10 years. Um, Also, I can use the programs well now, but you know that real workers have more improved skills than me, and they knew the what pattern is very useful and what pattern is usually using. So I really want to know those things in maybe in 2 years. Yeah, from the 1 year to 2 years. So I'm gonna concentrate about the technical skills and be comfortable to use my knowledge to in the real work. And then from the 3 to 5 years, I'm gonna concentrate to turn the comfortable to feel the wave of global trends, incorporating them into my designs. And from 6 to 8 years, I'm gonna focus on reinterpreting traditional techniques, patterns, and symbols in a modern way. After becoming proficient at this, from 9 to 10 years, I'm going to focus on the designing by reinterpreting history and traditional collaboration and incorporating it into the design. So I'm going to achieve my goal through this procedure and through the knowledge that I already have about the jewelries. First of all, I lived in a small city in the Korea. Yeah, my hometown is really a small city. So always I thought, I want to see the more wide world. And I thought America is very fit about that because America is famous about many kinds of peoples are there. So I can see the many kinds of peoples and many kinds of things or something that really many things that I only can see in the big world than now. So I thought America is most fit to have experience about the big world. That's it. Thank you. Oh, I have a driver license. I knew it. In America, the driver license is very useful. So I already tested and I have it. And I'm gonna use it in the America too. As it possible, I'm gonna use the transportation because yeah, about the many reasons that things. But if I think I needed a car, then I'm gonna buy a used car or rent. I think my most big strength is learning is fast. I have a habit when I learn something new one. I'm always trying out different things on my own, finding the quickest and easiest way. For example, I have experience about the Keisha things. First day when I learned it, and after the class that night, I trying out different things on my own. Next time, the same class when it come, everyone was very confused because they have a little error in the first time. But I already have that experience, so I really quick to solve the problem, and I helped the other ones too at the time. Oh, my weakness is I can't sleep early in the familiar place. And I thought it is very important problem because I can feel more tired. So I find a way to solve the problem. Now I have habit. I knew it after to find the way. I can sleep where when I heard some people's voice. So now my habit is always I turn the radio or the YouTube before I sleep. And while I sleep, basically, I thought the designer position is good for me, mm, and I applied it. But of course, you guys have known well about the position than me. So it'll have a reason when you have some different choice. So I don't care about that. Whichever I don't care because that doesn't matter to have an experience. Yep, I like being noticed. So I can presentation well and I like presentation. Usually I had a position to presentation too in the team project, something like that. When I have some project in the school, every time I have a presentation position. So I learned about techniques to keep the audience interested, keep the presentation interesting too. Besides those things, I thought I need to learn a much without the parts that I can only learn in the school. So I studied personally the more things. And then I got some license of jewelry coordination, yeah, coordinator and the jewelry master or gemologist or the master valuer international. And also I learned the program more like the Rhino, KeyShot, Photoshop, Illustrator, ZBrush, those things. Oh, and also, plus the things. I studied to take a photo about the product. I know about the J1 visa. It is only 1 year, but if you give me the chance to me, then I can stay there more. Yeah, and I want to stay more if you give me the chance. Field. I thought the most of the important thing for this field is yeah, but any technique is very important, but the eyes, seeing side from the customer side. So now I can see the side from the customer side to through the experience many times that sells some things in the festival or keep the keep the store and to buy some real jewelries in my side. I focus on listening, reading, and speaking, like like an exercise. I study consistently every day, the way like take a video and watch it again to know about how I did, or having an endless talking with an AI in the English, yeah, like a friend. Oh, I have a way that I usually using. First, separate the two people and calm them down. I listen to each other's stories and those around me to understand the situation and try to arbitration. I had the experience about that. Yeah, before in the team project, the two people was fought because of the opinion was very different. And I tried to separate them and took the time to calm them and listening the story from the two guys and the other ones because I need more another many size of the opinions and give an opinion to try a arbitration in my side. Yeah, it was sold very well. They become a good friend each other again. First, I'm a designer, just who can see the side from consumer side. And I'm learning very fast. I can have some clear communication, so I can immediate situation response also. For example, I had some experience to sell some keyring in the college festival booth. In the first day, it wasn't so well. So I thought, hmm, I have to keep focusing about what design is good for sale. So in the night, I exchanged all of the parts to for the more good selling design. So after that night, in the second day, my all products were sold all. Yeah, sold out. Like this, I'm good at look from the consumer side. And I can immediate situation response. Through this experience and personally study, I got some license. Yeah, I already said that those things and high level of understanding of ingredients. I also know how it is made and proceed through what process. I think this strength of mine could be good fit to good use in your company as well. Thank you.